NSS unit jong ka Bosco College Bindi Hati East Gentile District ka bahapo ka jingalam jong NSS Program Officer Don Bosco College Bindi Hati u Professor Seven Da Dakar kala shimenta shit raham haki kambabha kum ka jingno sinyang lang ha ka imlang ka salang pat ka ni ka deiru kum shibenta ka balong ka jingya don tilang bat ka ri India hi baro ka we ka Diwali with my Bharat ya kani ka jingno sinyang ka NSS jongko college kelas dang yaki kam Trei sngewbha ka balai singilintan kata na do hinin ka singi ka praterik risau bat penkut menta ka singi ka laipo terik risau menta ka singi ka laipo terik ka NSS unit jongka Bosco College Bindi Hati haringkat ka jingya Trei lang bat ka Khliehriat traffic cell lembat ka Khliehriat High Secondary School kala shimenta lang pyniarap yaki pulet pyniaid kali pat kani ko long ru hapo ka jingpe jingkemi u in charge jongka Khliehriat traffic cell u sub inspector di Shabong.
Attention to all safety related matters before driving on the road. I will always follow the rules of the road and traffic. I will ensure my own safety and also of all the fellow travelers on the road. I will work diligently in a dedicated manner.